Route 6 is a scenic drive that showcases the hidden gems of Indiana, setting the stage for an exciting journey through some of the state's most breathtaking landscapes and charming small towns. This route is a treasure trove of local eateries, quaint shops, and beautiful vistas that are just waiting to be discovered. Indiana's a state with a rich history and natural beauty, but often it's the same old spots that get all the attention from tourists. Places like the Indianapolis Motor Speedway and the Conner Prairie Interactive History Park are definitely worth a visit, but if you're looking for something a bit more off the beaten path, you're in luck. There are countless hidden gems scattered throughout the state just waiting to be uncovered. The problem is, with so many options, it can be tough to know where to start. That's where Route 6 comes in. It's a journey that takes you through some of Indiana's most stunning countryside, with plenty of surprises along the way. As you drive along this route, you'll pass through charming small towns, each with its own unique character and story to tell. You'll also get to sample some of the state's famous local cuisine, from farm-to-table restaurants to old-fashioned diners that serve up classic comfort food. One of the best things about Route 6 is the variety of landscapes you'll encounter, from rolling hills and scenic farmland to picturesque forests and sparkling lakes. There's no shortage of natural beauty to take in. And then there are the local eateries. You won't want to miss the chance to try some of Indiana's famous sugar cream pie or a plate of freshly fried corn. Driving along Route 6, you'll be struck by the warm hospitality of the people along the way. Everyone seems eager to share their favorite spots and hidden gems, from secret waterfalls to secluded hiking trails. It's clear that this route is more than just a collection of attractions. It's a journey through the heart of Indiana. All in all, Route 6 is a true hidden gem in Indiana, offering a unique blend of natural beauty, charming small towns, and local culture. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or just someone who loves to explore, this route has something for everyone. If you've got a favorite spot in Indiana, let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel adventures, be sure to check out the other videos for inspiration. Support the historic U.S. Route 6. The U.S. Route 6 Tourist Association, a 501c3 nonprofit, relies on your donations to preserve and promote this iconic American highway. Donate via PayPal. Options for one-time, monthly, or yearly contributions are available. Suggested amounts: $120, $60, $20, or customize your gift. You can also add extra to cover fees. Donate using PayPal or your debit/credit card. Every contribution helps keep the spirit of historic Route 6 alive.